In regards to the relationship, this is another challenge that may or may not break it. The relationship survival will depend greatly on what is changing. You change clothes every day. Maybe you eat a different breakfast cereal every month. Small things, but possibly not what the relationship was built on. Take it up a notch. You start back to smoking. You gain weight. You reconnect with an old significant other. Maybe the relationship was built on appearances or habits. If not built, possibly some strong assumptions were made and now those have shifted. How about some serious deal breakers? Someone now wants a kid. The house was unilaterally remortgaged. Some sexual preferences want to be explored. Health has greatly changed. Someone has aged. The bond that was there is not there anymore. Has the relationship changed now? I would venture to say that changing yourself fits somewhere on that spectrum. The honest truth is you are changing a major component of the relationship. The relationship will be different. The respectful thing to do is focus on your repair, while you grant the significant other the option to name their participation. Stay and accept the new relationship or leave to find a relationship of their choosing.